up? Just driving around downtown, trying to make a bunch of noise, see what it sounds like on the camera. Post this up later. I don't think that's gonna get on either. Should I just take a right? Yeah, what the hell? I want to go over the little bridge over there. Doop, doop, doop. Yeah, that was me making all that noise. Deal with it. Oh, fuck. Traffic. Oh, shit, I went the wrong way. See you later.